really struggling today. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Stephanie and I make videos about travel and being frugal, the frugal female traveler. I have been in California now for about a month and I've been able to do some really exciting things so far. If you haven't checked out my last couple videos, make sure to go watch them. I was able to go to Joshua Tree and Slab City with my brother and best friend, and it was such a cool experience and something I never thought I would do, but something I'm so grateful that I experienced. I'm not from California, so it was really fun to see Joshua Tree and Slab City and just experience a different kind of environment than I'm used to. One thing that I've really appreciated about being here is that I've been able to make some new friends. For those of you guys who don't know, I'm a pretty introverted person. This is a facade. I feel super confident when I'm alone. I'm a completely different person when people are around. And that's why I've always loved to travel, because I feel like I am able to be who I really am. Nobody knows my name when I travel alone, and I can become whoever I want to be. That's, I think, something that has been very appealing to me when I travel, is that every time you go to a new place, you have a clean slate. Nobody knows your name. Nobody knows who you are. I've really enjoyed spending time with new friends and experiencing new things with people that I otherwise would never have met. The great thing about travel social work is that you get to travel while working and also experience a new place on your off time. I think the biggest way to travel and to do it on a budget is to do it while working. And that was something that I really was striving towards as I became a social worker and when I learned about travel social work, because I wanted to make money, but I also wanted to see different parts of the world and the United States. But you have to make money to be able to do that, or be funded in some sense. So for me, this worked out. I knew I wanted to be a social worker, but I also wanted to travel. My two worlds collided. It's been a really great experience so far. I have a lot of exciting videos planned for you guys. While I'm here in California, I'm taking advantage of being able to see new things and experience new things and tell you guys all about it. And hopefully continue to do travel social work for a little bit, because I've really found it to be very enjoyable in this season of life. I hope you stick around, and please leave a comment and let me know what you want to watch, something that you're interested in. I kind of just do random videos, whatever I feel like doing, because, you know, I just do. If you have something that you're really interested in, or if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below and I will keep an eye out. Thank you guys so much for watching this update. Like I said, it was just a little bit random, but I felt like I haven't really sat down and had a conversation with you guys. Let me know if you like these sit down style videos more, or if you want the more vlog type videos, or just let me know. It's been a long week. I love you guys. Thanks for sticking around. I promise I will make more videos. I'm trying to figure my way through this whole YouTube world. It is a new beast for me. So yeah, hopefully you guys feel like you're getting to know me a little bit better, and I hope to do more of these sit down videos so we can get to know each other a little bit more on a personal level. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. You like my yellow hair? I'm trying to get it to be white so I can dye it blue. So that's what it is. It's just gonna stay yellow for now.